Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of footwear, specifically the Nike Men's Lunar MVP Pregame, which we believe to be the best Air Jordan mids available in the market. The Nike Men's Lunar MVP Pregame is not just your ordinary pair of sneakers. It's a blend of style, comfort, and performance that sets it apart from the rest. Let's kick things off by talking about the design. The Lunar MVP Pregame boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic. With its clean lines, bold colors, and unmistakable Air Jordan logo. Whether you're on the court or hitting the streets, these shoes are guaranteed to turn heads and elevate your style game to new heights. But it's not just about looks. These shoes are packed with features that make them a standout performer on the court. The rubber sole provides exceptional traction, allowing you to make quick cuts and sharp movements with ease. Plus, the leather outer material offers durability and support, ensuring that your feet stay protected no matter how intense the game gets. And let's talk about comfort. The Lunar MVP Pregame features a lace-up closure for a secure fit, while the Lunar Lawn cushioning technology delivers responsive cushioning and support with every step. Whether you're dunking hoops or running errands, your feet will thank you for choosing these shoes. So there you have it, folks, the Nike Men's Lunar MVP Pregame, the best Air Jordan mids on the market. With its killer combination of style, performance, and affordability, these shoes are a must-have for any sneakerhead or athlete alike. Don't just take my word for it, head over to Amazon.com and grab yourself a pair today. Until next time, this is host's name, signing off. Thanks for watching.